Powerhouse, presented by Alliant Energy.
Alliant Energy, we're on for you.
Welcome back to Powerhouse. There are many things you can do to trim your winter heating bills. We've already talked about a few, like insulating your attics and walls and caulking and sealing your doors and windows. With today's higher natural gas prices, homeowners are far more interested than ever in ways to reduce their heating bills.
That's right, Megan. And an excellent place to start is with your furnace. It's important that you have a furnace inspected each and every year. An annual tune-up will cost you from $50 to $100, but will ensure that the unit is operating efficiently and safely. Plus, a tune-up will save you from 3 to 4% on your winter energy bills, far more than the cost of the inspection. And make sure you change or clean the furnace filter at least once a month. It only costs a few dollars, but will help keep your furnace running better, longer.
Speaking of the furnace, you should consider switching to a programmable thermostat. They're inexpensive, easy to install, and they save energy. It's an easy way to synchronize your heating use with your family's schedule. Set the thermostat to automatically lower the temperature when you leave the house or go to bed, and set it to automatically raise the temperature again before you return home or get up in the morning. Turning your thermostat back 10 degrees for 8 hours a day will cut your energy usage by up to a whopping 10%.
There are also several less talked about but effective ways to save energy. For example, about 1/3 of the heat lost from older homes escapes through the holes in ductwork. Sealing those holes with specially designed tape or mastic, a paste that hardens after you brush it on, isn't expensive, but it can make a big difference in your utility bills year-round.
Consider installing ceiling fans. They're a great way to evenly distribute heat throughout your home and a great energy-saving investment. When warm air rises, cool air gets trapped down near the floor level. Now, these air layers can be a problem in colder months, so a ceiling fan breaks up the cool and warm layers and distributes the heat, making the room temperature more uniform.
Also, don't leave openings for the cold air to sneak into your house around window air conditioners and dryer vents. Cover window air conditioners in the winter and seal the hole where your dryer vent goes out through the basement wall. You might even want to install a dryer vent cover. It mounts on the outside of your home and is connected to the end of the dryer vent pipe. When the dryer is off, the cap seals tightly, preventing cold air from coming down the pipe into your dryer and into your house.
And here's a super simple way to get some free energy. Try opening your curtains on sunny days to let the sun heat your room, and then close them at night to keep the cold out.
In addition to keeping your heating bills in check this winter, we also want to talk about some safety issues you should consider regarding portable space heaters. Portable space heaters may seem like an easy way to add a bit of warmth to a cold room, but beware, they are extremely dangerous. If you do need to use a space heater for any reason, always follow these important rules.
Only use a space heater for short periods of time. Do not try to use it for long-term heating. Be sure to keep space heaters away from flammable materials like carpet, curtains, and Christmas trees, and keep them out of high traffic areas where children, pets, or you might trip on them or knock them over.
If you're using an electric space heater, avoid using an extension cord if possible, and be sure the circuit you plug the heater into can handle the extra wattage. You could easily blow a fuse or create a power surge that might damage other electrical appliances in your home.
Space heaters that burn fuel like propane or kerosene should never be used in an enclosed room. They give off colorless, odorless carbon monoxide gas which can kill you. Use them only in well-ventilated areas, and be sure you have a working carbon monoxide detector nearby to alert you to any harmful fumes.
No matter what type of portable space heater you use, never leave it unattended and never leave it running when you go to bed or leave the house. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission estimates that more than 25,000 residential fires each year are associated with the use of space heaters, and that more than 300 people die in these fires.
Our advice? Avoid using space heaters. They're dangerous. And in some communities, using fuel-burning space heaters indoors is actually illegal. So if you are planning to use one, check your local building codes first. And last but not least, they're not energy efficient. Using a space heater will actually increase your heating costs.